Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm all ready to go for a walk. So I'll show you guys an evening here. So it's gonna be really pleasant because morning it was raining and now the climate is so chill and it's nice. So let's go. And yeah guys, if you're new, please subscribe, okay, and also click the bell icon so that you will be notified instantly. So let's get started guys with no further ado. And yeah. Now I'm just out of my home to go for a walk and to have a good tea. So every day I have at least 2 cups of tea, morning and evening. So now it's evening and it's time for tea. So I need to cross the road now. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the lift to go to the top of the bridge, and then we will cross this road. So this is the road which I have to cross, and yeah, here comes the lift. So I took the lift and I'm going to the top of the bridge now, so like second floor, and now I'm just going here. So this is very easy here because you need not like climb the stairs up, so you can take the lift and just go. And this is one of the most lovable spot of mine because from this bridge I can see my home directly. So I really like this area. So most of the times I just stand here whenever I'm like crossing this bridge. I will stand here and I will just see my home from here. So this is so nice and I really like this spot a lot. So if you guys have seen my Facebook page, you guys can see my cover page. So this is exactly the spot which I have like posted there, which I really like so much. So most of the times I just stand here and I just see around, which is so lovable and so nice. So this is one side of the bridge and I'll show you guys the other side of the bridge, so which is this one. So here a bus stop is here and this is how the area is. It's so pleasant and so nice. And after crossing this bridge, finally we are here to have a tea and a snack. And look at this spot guys. This is the first time I'm coming here and I'm just loving the spot so much because I go crazy for fishes. I really love fishes a lot, and if I see them around me, I'll just not go from there, I'll just sit there. So look at this. This is so amazing and I was just happy to the core, and I was just sitting there and watching this for a while. So guys, I think I'm gonna bore you guys every time by showing this in most of my videos from now on, because if I truly like something, I'll definitely go there and I just sit there for a while. So I really like this so much. So from now on I decided every week I'll go there to have my dinner or lunch, something. If I'm just having, I'll go there. So I just love this spot so much guys. I really like fishes a lot, so I just sit there and I'm just enjoying the view. And what else you want? Very cool and chill climate outside, and you have a hot cup of snacks with hot cup of tea. So what else you want, isn't it? So it's so pretty, and just beside you a beautiful view. And especially fishes, I just go crazy. As I said before, I really love them so much. So this location, I really liked it, so I will make sure I'll just go there every weekend. So I really loved it. So guys, after sitting there for a while with the fishes and snacks and tea, it was really nice. So after that we decided to walk again for an hour, and here we are. So we are just roaming here and there. You know why I stopped here? Because of this Burger King. And yes, I stopped once more here for the burger, but then I made my mind today I'm not going to have burger because I already cooked my dinner and it's there in my home, so I have to go back and eat that. So, and most of the times I have burger because if you guys are like following me on my Instagram, you will know most of the times I go to the McDonald's to have burger. So this day I decided I'm not gonna have any burger, so I'm gonna have some light dinner today which I already cooked. So dinner we'll go back home and then we'll have it. So meanwhile we are just walking beside our surrounding. It's so nice, you know, especially a climate like this. I really love walking. So we are just walking around, and yeah guys, enjoy the view. Like this video. If you really did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.